Fine. Are the voice and screen clear? Tell me. All okay? Yes, good. Let everyone join. We'll wait for 1 more minute. Let everyone join. Fine. Now, this is the alarm clock. This is a ear. And sound waves are traveling from source to the listener. Okay, you can call it as a listener or observer, anything. In general, physics मध्ये observer म्हणजे कोण? जो reading लिहायला लागलाय तो observer. Right now, ear is an observer. Ear can be taken as an observer. फरक पडत नाही तुम्ही त्याला observer म्हणा, listener म्हणा. लँग्वेजचा विचार केला की listener म्हटलं पाहिजे. That is okay. Fine. So sound waves are traveling in this direction. So this is the direction of travel. This is the direction of travel. Fine. You people tell me, is the air present at this location? Is that air traveling from this point to this point? No, air is not traveling, sir. Particles of medium do not travel. They only oscillate. If you observe carefully, let's say this is the plane of the air. एक काय आहे एक airचं plane आहे. This is a plane of the air. Okay, this is the plane of the air. And this plane of the air is moving in the forward direction, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward. The next plane is also moving forward, backward, forward, backward. The next plane is also moving forward, backward, forward, backward. This is also moving forward, backward. There is a membrane in the human ear. Do you know that there is a membrane in the human ear? कानाच्या आत पडदा असतो हे तुम्हाला माहिती आहे का? पडदे तर खिडकीला असतात. ही खिडकीच आहे आपली. It's also a window. So there is a one membrane in the ear as well. That is also moving in the direction forward, backward, forward, backward. Why? Because of the air. Air is moving in the forward, backward. That air is pushing that membrane in the ear forward, backward. So can you observe? Let's say this is the plane of the air. Okay, this hand is nothing but the plane of the air. That is moving in the direction forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward. All the planes are doing the same. Forward, backward, forward, backward. So direction of vibration is right now horizontal. And direction of travel is also horizontal. Direction of travel of wave is also horizontal. So planes are oscillating in the horizontal direction and wave is also traveling in the horizontal direction. So these two directions are, reply in the chat box, parallel or perpendicular? Or what is angle between them? What is angle between them? Angle between direction of vibration of particle and direction of travel of wave. This is vibration of particles or vibration of plane of the air. And this is direction of travel. So these two are right now parallel or angle between them is 0 or 180 you can see. Okay, let us call it as 0. Fine. So if direction of vibrations of particles is parallel to the direction of travel of wave, then the wave is called as a longitudinal wave. It is called as a longitudinal wave. Longitudinal wave. Fine. So what is the example of longitudinal wave? Sound waves are longitudinal waves, sir. Because their particles of the medium vibrate in a direction parallel to the direction of travel of wave. Direction of travel la parallel vibrations astat. So sound wave is a longitudinal wave. And what is the example of, this is the example. What is the example of transverse wave? Wave on a string. Wave on a string. Wave on a string is an example of a transverse wave. So everyone now reply in the chat box after writing all these things that whether the point of transverse waves and longitudinal waves is clear to all of you. सिंपल पॉइंट आहे, कायमचा क्लिअर व्हायला पाहिजे हा पॉइंट. Good, fine. So now we will be able to identify whether the given mechanical wave is a transverse wave or is a longitudinal wave. We will be able to identify it. All right. Now again there can be different types of classification of wave. There can be different criteria of classification of wave. Let us write down that classification as well. Let us write here again. In general, waves. Of course, we are talking about mechanical waves, so let us write here mechanical waves. Mechanical waves. Fine. What is the criteria, sir? The criteria is dimensionality. Okay, so that is something different or difficult to understand. Or let us say, in how many directions sound travels? Sorry, in how many directions wave travels? That is called as a dimensionality. Okay. So let us for time being write it as it is. Dimensionality. हळूहळू समजेल. इंग्लिश पण तुमचं एवढं स्ट्रॉंग लिहू की तुम्ही नंतर भाषण द्याल इंग्लिश. Dimensionality. Fine. Means in how many dimensions wave travels? Either in 1 dimension, 2 dimension, 3 dimension. Okay. एकाच डायरेक्शन मध्ये एनर्जी ट्रान्सफर होतो. 2 डायमेन्शन मध्ये होतो. 3 डायमेन्शन मध्ये होतो. So that is called as dimensionality. Fine. 3 types. 1 dimensional wave, 2 dimensional wave, 3 dimensional wave. Fine. So right here, 1 dimensional wave means what? Waves which carry energy. Energy ला शॉर्ट फॉर्म मध्ये ENR लिहितो मी. ओके, एनर्जी. Waves which carry energy only in one direction. Only in one direction. इथं waves which carry energy, तेच सगळं लिहावं लागेल. Waves which carry energy in 2 directions. In 2 directions. किंवा 2 डायरेक्शन म्हणण्यापेक्षा त्याला म्हटलं पाहिजे in plane. 2D म्हणजे प्लेन. 2 डायमेन्शनल वेव्ह म्हणजे वेव्स विच ट्रॅव्हल ऑन प्लेन. व्हिडिओ पॉज होतोय. जस्ट वेट फॉर अ सेकंड. टेल मी व्हेन इट इज ओके. इज दॅट ओके नाउ? इट इज लॅगिंग. ओके, विल वेट फॉर सम टाइम. टेल मी व्हेन इट इज ऑल ओके. Tell me when it is all okay and then we shall move. We'll wait. We'll wait. We'll wait. Tell me when it is all okay. जेव्हा all okay असेल तेव्हा मला रिप्लाय करा. तोपर्यंत आपण थांबूया. सगळं व्यवस्थित झालं की सांगा. All okay? Is that okay now? Seems better my voice. Screen lag is okay. Not okay, but we'll wait for 1 more minute. सगळं ओके झालं की सांगा. Lagging. Fine. We'll wait. काही लोकांना ओके दिसतंय. बर, सगळ्यांना ओके दिसलं की सांगा. So that we can move. Is that okay now? Is that okay now? चेक करा. सेकंड स्क्रीन कीप्स लॅगिंग. मोबाईलची स्क्रीन लॅग होते. फळा लॅग होतो का? दिस इज लॅगिंग. फळा लॅग होतोय का? एखाद्या केसमध्ये ती ठीक आहे, एखाद्या केसमध्ये लॅग झाला ठीक आहे. कंटिन्युअसली जर लॅग होत असेल तर अडचण, अदरवाईज नाही. मी जे शिकवते ते तुम्हाला समजायला लागले का सांगा मला. आता माझ्याशी बोलताय तर चॅटबॉक्स मध्ये करूया कंटिन्यू. आणि शेकट्यालाच प्रॉब्लेम आहे आता तुला. चेक कर. व्हॉइस ब्रेक व्हायला लागलाय. बर, एक एक प्रॉब्लेम यायला लागलाय. साऊंड वेव्स, लाईट वेव्स सगळ्याला प्रॉब्लेम यायला लागलाय. वेव्हचा टॉपिक शिकवताना साऊंड वेव्स आणि लाईट वेव्स सगळ्या डिस्टर्ब आहेत. Fine, we'll wait for some time. We'll wait for some time. Just give me a second. I will reconnect. Just give me a second. I will rejoin. Don't leave the meeting. I will rejoin. Tell me when it is all okay. I will get disconnected and I will rejoin. Tell me when it is all okay. Okay now?